Hi, this is Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida, and just want to talk to you about a great 2017 270 Sea Ray Sundeck that I've just listed. This is an absolutely beautiful boat. It's got the horizon blue hull. It also has the full bimini top. It's the big top that goes with the arch here so that you've got plenty of shade. You'll notice all the way here in the back seat. This is a beautiful boat with the all-white Mercury 350 Verado. It also has the gray sea deck on the stern as you walk into the boat as well. You'll notice the Sundeck right now, I've got the seat in the chaise lounge position on this side. You can do that on the opposite side as well. Super nice big storage area under there. Big walkthrough as we walk into the boat. You're also going to notice the big L-shaped seating. Lots of room there for somebody. You'll see the backrest is forward, so there's plenty of room to stretch out. Or you can set 6, 8 big adults back here in this cockpit. Got the removable table that goes under the console when it's not being used. And again, as we step into the boat, you'll see that you got plenty of space to move around here in the boat. Super nice big storage area under both the port and starboard side. Got our battery switch and battery charger there aft. And again, big storage here on the starboard side as well. Notice in the helm, got the built-in Ray Marine there on the screen. Also, this motor has just under 100 hours on it, like brand new. Got a great Rockford Fosgate stereo sound system. There is a remote on the transom, but you can also use Bluetooth as well. Got our trim tabs as well as a full nice complement of gauges. Also can raise up our thigh bolster, so if we want to sit at the helm and sit up a little bit, we can do that. Or as we did over here on the starboard side, we can push the backrest back for an added sun deck here on the starboard side. So you'll see that as that seat goes back, plenty of room there in the companionway for somebody to ride. And just forward of that is the door into the head. Nice big spacious head compartment. Got our porta potty in there, as well as a sink and a window that'll open up as well. As we go through the walkthrough, of course the center windscreen will close for wind and that, as well as the doorway here in the center. The storage area that I talked about for the tables, they go right there and store out of the way. Another in-floor storage area forward. Table as we chatted about. Nice big lounge area here in the front. Notice that the armrests will come up and get out of the way. Also got nice big storage areas under these seats forward as well. As we look at the front, one of the nice features on the Sundeck is you do have the ladder that goes forward, as well as a space there for your anchor. Also have a wash down. You can use as a shower, rinse off our feet being on the beach or whatever that might be. Once again, big full bimini top on this 270 Sundeck, as well as the arch. Nice walk-through floor storage area here, as well as in the center cockpit. Big seating area, absolutely a dynamite, wonderful boat. And with that 350 Merc, absolutely fantastic performance. Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Give me a call. This is a great boat here in the Southwest Florida area or wherever you might do your boating.